Hey y'all, it's Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this hair from UNICE. Here's a few things that's included with the wig, and I do have their pre-everything glueless frontal wig in water wave texture, and I just love that their pre-everything wigs literally come ready out of the box. You can just throw it on. Before I put mine on, I'm just going to be using some lace tint and spray to make it match my hairline, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. And this is a glueless unit, so I can literally just slap it on, style it, and then she's ready to go. It also does feature their ear tape tabs, so I decided to go ahead and put that on. It's just like an extra piece of security without having to use glue. And then if you've been watching me, you know I always do this step whenever I'm laying down my wigs. I just like to section off the top of the hair and just use my flat iron to flatten it out. And to me, this just makes it look a lot more natural. So now that I have the hair nice and flat, I'm just going to go in and define the curls. And I always just use water, and I like to use some foam and mousse, and I just go ahead and spray the water in, and then I use the mousse and just rake it through the hair. And I like to use a Denman brush to really define the curls. now I'm going in with my blow dryer, and I have it on a low heat setting and also have like the fan speed on low because I really didn't want like a frizzy look. I wanted like kind of a wet and wavy type look. So I'm just going through and just drying the hair, and I'm so happy that I got this wig around summertime. I definitely think that I'm going to be bringing this wig with me on vacation. It's just like the perfect summer vacation hair, plus it's glueless, so you don't have to worry about like the glue getting melted or anything like while you're out in the sun. So yeah, definitely about to be my go-to summer wig. So lastly, I just like to go in with some lace tinting powder. This just really makes it look a lot more natural, so I just use this along the hairline and also in the part. Alright y'all, so that is it for this video, and I am so in love with this hair. This water wave texture is literally perfect. Like I said, this is definitely gonna be my summer go-to wig. It's glueless, you can throw it on. It is the perfect look for the beach. And also the hair is just really great quality. I didn't experience any tangles or shedding while I was working with the hair. And do y'all see how nice and shiny it is? So yeah, I highly recommend checking this hair out. Again, this is from UNICE Hair, and this is their pre-everything glueless frontal wig in water wave texture. I will have all of the information for this hair down in my description box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.